Hi guys, welcome back to Panchita's Corner. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make this spaghetti with rajas and elote. I did forget to mention the elote. Had it on the freezer, but don't forget to get your elote. And this pasta, so delicious. So keep watching so you guys can see how I made this pasta. So we're going to need 6 poblano chiles. You're going to need 1 onion. You're going to need 1 package of spaghetti. You're going to need some of this. So any butter, I do like to use this one. Heavy whipping cream, asadero cheese. If you guys have not tried this one, this is from Aldi's. This is my favorite. It melts really good. And we're also going to need some cotija cheese. So this one comes in a big block. So what I do, half of it I go ahead and put it in here, and the other half I put it in cubes. So let's get started. Super easy but simple, delicious rajas spaghetti. So what we want to go ahead and do first is we want to put our poblano chiles over the fire so they can kind of roast evenly all over. I have this little rack that I put on top of it so that way they roast evenly. After that, we're going to put them in a bag so they can sweat. We're going to peel it off and we're going to slice them in little thin strips. You want to make sure that you roast them evenly like this. We're going to put them in the bag, let them sweat. We're going to peel out the skin and then we're going to cut them in strips. After your poblano chiles have sweat, you want to go ahead and peel off the skin. So after you remove all the seeds, you just want to go ahead and cut them in strips. I'm going to go ahead and start off by sauteing our onion. This is sauteing. I'm going to be cooking the pasta here. Okay, so now to our onions, we're going to add our poblano peppers. And we're also going to be adding 1 bag of frozen corn. I'm gonna make the nice little our butter. And this is the kind of butter that I like to use this time. I'm gonna let our butter melt. After our butter has melted, we're going to go ahead and add our heavy whipping cream. We're going to add the whole, thing in here. So we added 2 tablespoons of this. And we're gonna let this boil. Okay, so now we're gonna be adding asadero cheese. You can add any cheese. This is my favorite because it melts really, really good. We're gonna put the whole bag. Added the whole box of pasta. So this, you guys can see, this recipe makes a lot. And then that is your pasta. So, rajas spaghetti is ready.